What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining for another one. This is a 5-minute morning warm-up that you can do anytime in the morning, anywhere. No equipment is required. You do what you can. It's going to be low impact, so there's no jumping. Just to kind of get the body moving, get the blood flowing, just to wake that body up. Alright, here we go. We're just going to march it on out. Nice and easy here. Just breathe in here. Again, this is a quick 5 minutes. You can do anytime, anywhere. Do what you can. Modify any moves if you need to. Once you're done with this warm-up, go ahead and check out one of my other videos here. Alright, check out the other workout videos I have. You could add it on top of this if you're feeling good right after that 5 minutes. And you just want a little bit more. I got plenty of workouts for you without no equipment. Just breathing, just marching here. Again, low impact here. Alright, we're just gonna swing those knees up nice and high. Swing those arms as well. Okay, I'm not here. This is not me. I'm swinging the opposite hand with that opposite leg. Just emphasizing, just opening up those hips. Getting those legs moving, getting those shoulders working, getting that body breathing here. Good. I just want you to breathe nice and comfortably here. Nice job, everybody. Nice work. Good. Just keep going. Alright, we're going to take those arms out to the side here. We're going to just open on up right here. Working some back here, working some chest and those shoulders. Side tapping it. Open up those arms as wide as you can here. Just breathing. Good. Nice job, everybody. You got this, alright? You got this. Keep it going here. Good. Good. Exhale that breath as you open on up. Open up that chest. Swing those arms open nice and wide. Like you're giving a hug to somebody. Tapping it. Alright, bring it on down. Here we are going to go right up into some knees. So I want you to swing those arms. Bigger motion with those shoulders. Get those knees up. Exhale that breath. Good. Good job, good job. Keep that body going here. We're going to give those legs a little bit of a break after this move here. Just go a little bit more upper body. Swing those arms nice and high. Get that knee up. Keep that back. Toe core is engaged here. Alright, take those arms in. Open and close. And reach. Right here. Good. Working some shoulder mobility, working some upper back too, and that chest. Bring those hands together, elbows together, as close together as you can. Open up as wide, and we reach up nice and high. Nice job, nice job. Good. Alright, we're gonna keep it on up. We're gonna bring it down and up right here. Bend those knees, reach those elbows down, reach for that sky. Exhale that breath as you drive those elbows down. Again, this is slow motion. This is where I'm stopping at, this slow. Heels coming up. As you can see, my legs are moving. Right there behind me. Good. Nice job. Keep it breathing. Keep that body moving. Again, just waking it on up. Get that blood flowing here. Alright, bring it on down. Going to give me some nice good shoulder rolls. Nice and easy here. Big circles, big circles, big circles. Nice and controlled, nice and slow. Doesn't gotta be fast. Alright, I want you to work on that shoulder mobility here. I want you to reverse the direction, whichever way you were rolling those shoulders. You're gonna roll it over on the other side, other direction. And breathe in. Keep that body relaxed as much as you can here. Feet flat against that ground. Alright, take those elbows out. Nice, easy twist here. Loosening up the lower back here. Working that core. Nice control. Feet stay flat against that ground as much as you can. Just twisting. Every time you hit the side with that twist, I want you to exhale that breath. Inhale, you come back to center. Exhale to the other side. Nice. Good job, good job, good job. Keep it going. Keep it breathing. Gonna bring those hands up here. I want to punch. One knee up, and then punch. Punch up and down, okay? Reach it up nice and high. Bring that other arm back. Good. Just like you're trying to punch that ceiling here. Break a hole through that ceiling. Break down those barriers. Keep it going to that top. You got it. Alright, last one here. A little bit more. Open up those feet a little bit wider. We're going to sit those hips down. We're going to loosen up those hips a little bit more. Reach for the ground. Just come on up. Reach. Sit it down. and reach. My chest is not coming forward. I'm not leaning down. I'm bending my knees. Chest stays up, head stays level. Reach it out, that nice and easy. Good. Nice job. Thanks again for joining me on this quick 5-minute warm-up here. And if you want to check out the rest of my channel, go ahead and do so. If you're feeling good right now, that woke up the body good enough, you feel like you want to take on some more workout, check out the rest of my videos. I got other ones you get to add on top of this. And again, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It shows you so much love on YouTube. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you in the next video.